Guys, I'd like to read you from the Study Bible, John 15, verses 1 to 4. I am the vine, and my Father is the gardener. He cuts off every branch in me that bears no fruit, while every branch that does not bear the fruit he prunes, so that it can even be more fruitful. You are already clean because of the word I have spoken to you. Remain in me, and I will remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself. It must remain in the vine. Neither can you bear the fruit unless you remain in me. Listen to the word in your heart, because God speaks to you through your heart. Have a pleasant day, guys. Cheers for now.